This is Number Slide It game. It's a fun game that's inexpensive to play to practice math facts at home. All you need are some dollar store poker chips and a set of dice. So how it goes is it's a two-partner game, and one partner goes and they roll the dice. And for example, I have a 7. So I want to find any combination of these numbers that make 7. And for this game, we're going to be using addition facts only. So the strategy is that you want to find as many chips as you can by the end of your round, your part of your round. So in this case, it's a 7. Now I could slide just a 7, but I want to use as many chips as I can. So I'm going to actually pick 2 and 5 and have it up there, and then I go again. And that is a 3, and the only way I can make a 3 is to move this chip. And the game continues with that same partner, 7. Can I make a 7 using any of these? The only way I can make it with a 1 and a 6. And now I keep going. This is a 6. Can I make a 6 out of any of the remaining chips? No, I can't. So my part of the game is finished for this round. So I count up the chips that I was able to slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get a 5, and I could write that down on a scratch sheet, and then we put the chips back into order, and the play then goes to the next person, and they do the same thing to see how many chips that they get for that round. This game can be done with addition facts, and it can also be done with subtraction facts. One thing we want to point out to teach kids about counting up is if I have a dice, that's not a good example, if I had this, and I have a 6 and a 2, the 6 is the highest number, I'm just going to keep that in my head, and I'm going to say 6 and count up 7, 8 to make the 8, rather than counting the individual numbers. It's just a strategy we like to teach children to keep the larger number in their head. So play away at home.